channel. I hope you're all super well today. I have got another hair dyeing video for you guys, and this time I'm going to be dyeing another wig. I've been kindly sent a wig from a VP Fashion. Thank you so much. They've sent me their human hair wig. I'll pop a link below so you can check it out. I actually measured my head for this wig so it fits me perfectly, which is absolutely amazing. I have to say the quality is so good. I am super impressed, so I'm so keen to dye it and see how it comes out. This is the wig. Let me show you. Ta-da! Right, let's get it out. So it's quite long, which is nice because it just means it's a little bit different to my normal hair, and it is straight and it is nice and blonde and it is super silky. So yeah, this is the wig. It is a lace front. On the inside, this is what it looks like. So you've got 3 grips, and I actually really love how the inside looks. I've not seen one like this before. It's even got my name on it, which is super cute. Usually when I get them, they've got like stitching in and stuff, and you can kind of see the seams, but this is like so seamless that I can actually do hair tutorials with this wig. So I'm really excited to dye it and get playing around with it and having hair that's like a really nice length. And it also looks really natural when it's on, because I think the density was like 130, so not too much hair, so it looks natural on me because I've got quite a small head. But yeah, enough of me talking. Let's get dyeing it. I'm going to be dyeing it from this to this, so let's get going.
You in my space.
now the colour's on, we're going to leave it on for about an hour. I'm super pleased with how it's turned out already. The coverage kind of was alright, but I'm going to say I used 2 bottles of the Crazy Colour Caution UV, which is the yellow colour. I used 2 bottles, and I needed another bottle ideally, but I made it just about last. But yeah, hopefully it's not too patchy. But the pink, yeah, it's not come out as how I thought it would. I thought it was going to be more of like a hot UV pink, but like, yeah, but let's see when we wash it out. I'm going to leave it on for about an hour. Guys, this is the finished wig. Oh my god, the colour is insane. I cannot wait to see what it looks like under the UV light. I'm going to get the wig on, get it styled, and then I will show you the finished look. Oh my god, this is epic. This is the finished wig. What do you think? I'm literally loving it. It is so fun. I kind of feel like I'm a bit of a sweetie. No? Do you think? I just feel like I don't even know what's sweet. A fruit salad. Oh my god, I am a fruit salad. Hello. I don't know what Shadow's saying. Please excuse him. But oh my god, like I'm loving it. It's so fun. Also, like, I love how this pink has come out kind of like a bit of a peachy pink. I thought it was going to be more like a hot pink, but actually I think I prefer this kind of colour. I really do love it though. It's really funky. I was inspired by an Instagrammer for this called Lava Baby. I absolutely love her style. She changes her hair like every day. I don't know how she does it because I swear it's not wigs. But yeah, I was inspired by her for this look. She did a kind of similar look with more of like a kind of neon greeny yellow, and then she did like these two like thinner streaks at the front in hot pink. So yeah, it's kind of inspired by that. I kind of like these thicker panels though, just because it means that when you braid your hair and stuff, it's gonna like have more bits of pink in. And yeah, I cannot wait to play around with this wig. I love it. As you could see in the video, I didn't actually stick it down because I've got to go out shortly, so I didn't want to stick this wig down because it's still a little bit wet. They take so long to dry. I need to figure out a way of drying wigs quicker. But yeah, so it still needs to dry a little bit, so I'm just gonna go out of my neon hair underneath. But yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. I've put links below to all the products I've used. It was the Crazy Colour UV range that I used. It is brand new, so do check it out. I have got the Toxic UV green on my hair currently, so I'll pop a link below to that video if you want to check it out. Yeah, I think that is it. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, because I have loads of ideas coming soon for more wig dyes, my hair dye, and every single hair dye. I have lots of ideas. Yeah, it's my thing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace out.